There are many ways to make money online, and the best method for you will depend on your skills, interests, and goals. Here are some popular ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to earn money online if you have a skill that is in demand. You can set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. Freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a marketplace for freelancers to find clients and vice versa. 2. Online surveys. Companies need feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. You can earn money by completing online surveys for market research companies such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. 3. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can sell physical products or digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. You will need to source or create your products and handle shipping and customer service, but you can reach a large audience and potentially make a lot of money. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model in which you promote other people's products and earn a commission on sales. You can join affiliate programs on platforms such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you will need to have a platform such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account with the following. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services on platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Chegg. You can create courses or provide individual tutoring sessions, and you can reach a global audience. 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which you set up an online store without holding inventory. You can use platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store and find products to sell from suppliers such as AliExpress. When a customer orders a product, the supplier ships it directly to the customer, and you earn a profit on the sale. Remember that making money online requires effort and dedication. It's important to choose a method that fits your skills and interests, and to be patient and persistent in your efforts.